Telehealth technology helps connect care teams with their patients over any distance. With our telehealth application, a care team can connect with their patients at the bedside instantly, whether at home or in the hospital. With telehealth, you can bring in any care team member, including a specialist, or add a family member or guest with the touch of a button. Just as easily, add a Marty interpreter to your consultation. With qualified interpreters available in more than 250 languages, 24/7. COVID-19 challenged us all, especially frontline workers. That's why we developed the telequarantine function within telehealth. Safely connect patients and care teams, and save on PPE, all while delivering high-quality care directly to the bedside. This unique platform drives operational efficiency and reduces care team burnout, keeping all your resources in one place, accessible with the touch of a button, so you can deliver care when it's needed. With our telehealth application, you can provide care anywhere, anytime, and in any language.